Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial of Tech and Tips. In this tutorial, I will tell you all how you can lock and hide your WhatsApp chats. So let's get started with this tutorial. You can turn chat lock on or off within the chat's info for each chat you want to lock. If you don't have your device authentication set up yet, such as your phone passcode, fingerprint or face ID, you will be prompted to set it before locking a specific chat. So to lock a chat, you first need to check if your WhatsApp is up to date. Now if your WhatsApp is up to date, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. Tap and open the conversation you wish to lock. Tap on the profile name, that is the chat info. Scroll down a bit and you can see an option named chat lock. Tap on chat lock. Here you can either enable the chat lock using your fingerprint or face ID depending upon the device you use. Once you confirm your fingerprint or face ID, the chat will be locked. Tap you to open the locked chats. So this is how you can lock a specific chat on WhatsApp. Now I will tell you how you can access the WhatsApp locked chats. For this you need to open the WhatsApp on your Android device. Swipe down to the chat feed so that you will be able to view the locked chat section. Tap on the locked chat option and confirm your fingerprint or face ID. Here you will be able to access the locked chats. At last I would like to tell you how to turn off the WhatsApp locked chats. Open the locked chats as shown previously. Open the conversation which you wish to unlock from the locked section. Tap on the profile name, that is the chat info. Scroll down a bit and then tap on chat lock. Confirm your fingerprint or face ID and done. Your chat is removed from the chat lock section. So this is how you can use the chat lock feature of the WhatsApp. So that's it for today's tutorial. I will meet you all in another tutorial. Till then, do not forget to subscribe the channel and I hope you like this video.